Okay, hi everyone. This week we will be discussing probabilities, and in your Excel assignment, we will find theoretical probabilities for a bag of candies. So this is actually a fun assignment as well. And let's see here. What is our problem statement? Okay, so if you go to Module 7 to the favorite candy assignment, it asks you to purchase a medium to large size bag of candies that has multiple flavors in it. Okay, here. And well, if you don't want to purchase, I'm sure that you can, get away without purchasing it and just um, think of the numbers here, and you'll see where I'm getting at. So you need to create an Excel spreadsheet with the following columns. You need the flavor, the number of candies with each flavor, and you need to calculate now the probability of drawing each flavor. Okay, so let's open our Excel. Okay, here we are. Let me just make this a bit shorter so you are able to see it. Okay. So here I have the flavor. I have 10 different flavors here. And I have the number of candies for each flavor. Okay, if you don't want to purchase a bag, you don't have to purchase a bag. So just randomly enter numbers here for the number of candies of each flavor. Okay, so the total here, if you just add this row using the sum function, we keep messing up functions and formulas in Excel. Okay, this is a function. Okay, formulas are your calculations. Okay, so here is the total. So we have in our bag, we have 89 candies. Let me just make this bold. Okay, 89 candies, and here are the different flavors. Okay, 15 butterscotch, 7 purple, this is the yellow one, 3 and so forth. Okay, so you're asked to compute the theoretical probability of drawing each flavor of candy. Okay, so the theoretical probability is the number of candies in the bag, the number of particular candies of that particular flavor over the total candies in the bag. So here it would be equal to put in, we're going to create a formula now. I'm sorry, a formula, yeah. I keep mixing these up. So we have 15, or this cell C2, over this one, which is the total. Okay, so this gives us a probability of 16.85. And how did I get this? Well, 1 minute here. I had formatted these cells. If you select them and right click, you can go to format cells, and instead of number, which is a normal one, or general, I think is by default, you can make it as a percentage here. Okay, so we have a 16.85%. Now, as usual, I can copy this formula down to the rest of the cells, but this will not work, as you will see right now. Okay, see, you can't, this doesn't work. Why? Because notice that in the denominator here for each cell, it's moving to the next cell under 89, under this one. So this one is the C13. See, this one is the one after, and so forth. Because Excel does not know that you specifically want to divide by 89 and not by the cells that are beneath it, okay? Because when you copy, everything gets copied like appropriately. Excel is trying to as it is increasing the cell in the numerator from C2 to C3 to C4 to C5, it's doing the same for the denominator. So this is not going to work, so let me delete this. So what we need to do, delete, okay. So what we need to do here is, in order to make this C12 cell fixed, we need to go up here and put a $ in front of the C and a $ in front, in front of the 12. Okay, so that's it, and click enter. So now if you do Control C and Control V to paste, it's going to work fine. Okay. And to make sure that all these calculations are correct, you need to verify that the sum of these probabilities are what? Well, they're 100, of course. Okay, so the sum of these have to be 100%. They have to add up. So let's see if they do. And they do. So that's good. Okay, so we have our theoretical probabilities of drawing each type of flavor, and the next thing you need to do is you need to create a bar chart. Okay, so you need to create a bar chart with both of these columns. It's not very clear in the assignment. It says something about the key, and that's kind of a hint. But here you need to select everything, so I'm going to select everything. And I'm going to go to insert recommended charts. Let's see here. What do we have? Here it is. Okay, so here, I'm not sure if you can see it, but this is like a stacked column chart. Okay, so I'm going to select this one. And I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so you can see this. Can you see the red? It's like this is stacked. The blue corresponds to the number of candies, while the red on top, which doesn't really show, is the probability of drawing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the layout a little bit and let me choose this one. Let's see, you can experiment with these. Okay, here it's a little bit easier to see. Let me just move these. These percentages over so they become clear, if I can get them to move here. Maybe there is an easier way to do this. So just click on each one, wait till the arrow becomes like a cross there, and then you can drag it a little bit up so it's visible. Here it is. Yeah. Okay, I got it here. So let's see now. So we have the different flavors. We have the blue column. There's also a number here that shows the number of candy, 15, 7, 3, so forth. And here on top we have that red column. So this is like a stacked chart here, which shows the percentage for each category. Okay, so you have all the information here. You can add, let's see here, you can add a title. Chart title, here it is. Okay, so you can say something like theoretical probability of each flavor of each candy flavor, or something like this. Okay, so your chart is ready, and one other thing you need to check is, let me see here, you have some questions that you need to answer here. Which flavor is your favorite? Okay, what is the probability of drawing your favorite candy? You have these values. This is interesting. What is the probability of not drawing your favorite flavor? Okay, so think about this. Think about what the probability of not drawing the flavor is. Okay, so I'm not going to give away this answer. So I want you to think about this, okay, and the rest of the questions. So I hope you have fun creating this Excel assignment as well. Have a great week. Thank you.